Honorable members, in the last sitting of 8th August 2025, some members raised objections to certain observations by Chair in respect of Rule 267. I wish to clarify that it was not intended to offend any honorable member. I leave it to the wisdom of honorable members to comply to the rules and directions imparted by the Chair on this subject, and that the precious time of the House is not lost. I'm coming to 267. Honorable members, 29 notices have been received today on 5 different subjects under Rule 267. 11 notices do not contain a motion drawn in proper terms to obtain a decision of the House. Remaining, please listen first. Remaining 18 notices seek discussion on matter which is sub judice, and these notices also do not contain a proper motion as per the requirement of Rule 267. मैंने 5 अगस्त को दी गई रूलिंग में रिट्रेट किया था कि सब जुडिस मैटर्स पर सदन में डिस्कशन पर पाबंदियां हैं जिनसे आप भली भांति परिचित हैं. The sub judice principle was included in the rules of procedure for avoiding any undue influence of any discussion in Parliament on a case pending in a court. Rule 238(5) prohibits discussion on person in high authority except on a substantive motion. Additionally, there are precedents and relevant rulings to say that Rule 267 can be used to raise issues rarest of rare in nature. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules as enunciated above, I am not admitting any of the notices. Now matters with permission. Please, honorable members, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि 0 hour question और members के hour हैं. Till today, honorable members, during the current session, we had the opportunity to take up 210 start questions, 210 zero submissions, and 210 special mentions on various important issues so far. However, due to continuous disruptions, we have been able to take up only 14 start questions, 5 0-hour submissions, and 17 special mentions. Because of the disruptions, we have lost 62 hours. 62 hours and 25 minutes of this session so far. मैं आग्रह करूंगा 0 hour चलने दे. प्लीज 0 hour चलने दे. मैं आग्रह करूंगा माननीय सदस्यों की अपनी सीट पर जाएं और सदन को चलने दे. प्लीज माननीय सदस्यगण, सदन में बैज पहन कर आना सदन के कामकाज की संस्कृति के अनुरूप नहीं. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि बैज हटाकर सदन में आए. प्लीज आप सदन चलने दें. माननीय मेंबर्स को 0 hour और क्वेश्चन आवर अवेल करने दें. आप जानते हैं ये दोनों ही बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है माननीय मेंबर्स के लिए. बहुत ही माननीय इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. आप नहीं चाहते कि इन पे डिस्कशन हो. द हाउस स्टैंड्स एडजर्न्ड टू मीट एट 2 PM.